Hello, little friends. Welcome to our sparkling adventure. Today, we're going to discover the amazing power of cleanliness. Are you ready to get started? Hi there, I'm Cleo the Clean Fairy. Cleanliness is magical, and I'm here to show you how it can make our world a better place. Let's begin. Look at this wonderful room. When we keep our spaces clean and organized, it helps us think better and feel happy. Let's help tidy up. Let's sing a little song while we clean. Repeat after me. Clean up every day. It makes us happy. Hip hip hooray. Now we're in the kitchen. Did you know that cleanliness here is super important? It keeps us safe from germs that can make us sick. Always wash your hands before eating and after playing. Let's pretend to wash our hands together. Scrub-a-dub, scrub-a-dub. Look at this beautiful park. Keeping our parks clean means everyone can enjoy nature. Let's see what happens when we throw trash in the bin. Yay! When we throw our trash in the right place, we keep our planet happy and healthy. Let's shout together, trash in the bin, let's all win. Look at all these happy animals. They love clean environments too. When we keep our spaces clean, we help our furry friends stay safe and healthy. Thanks for joining me on this sparkling adventure. Let's all be cleanliness heroes. Until next time, keep shining bright.